camera and dual front camera with super night. The Vivo V19 comes with AI quad rear camera and dual front camera with super night mode that lets you click clear pictures even in the dark. The phone is available in Mystic Silver and Piano Black color variants. Vivo V19 comes with an 8GB RAM and 2 internal memory variants with 128GB and 256GB storage capacity that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 512GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo V19 features a 6.44-inch LIV E3 Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with 100% color gamut for an immersive viewing experience. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for a faster and more secure access. The phone features a 48-megapixel AI quad rear camera. It also comes with a 32-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual front camera with super night selfie and super wide selfie mode. The Aura screen light lets you see your face in an oval ring while shooting a selfie even in extreme dark environment. Powered by FunTouch operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery with 33 watts Type-C Vivo Flash Charge 2.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, earphone, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film and documentation. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.